Hey guys, welcome back to Techno Fiction. It's been so long to upload videos due to some health issues. Apologize me for this big gap. Okay, let's continue our classes. So today in this video we are going to see the last unit in Salesforce flow. It's customize how records get approved with approvals. So in this video you will learn about approval process, its key components, and next you will look up on how a business process can be automated using an approval process and so on. Let's get started with approvals. An approval process automates how Salesforce records are approved in your Arch. In an approval process, you specify the steps necessary for a record to be approved and who approves it at each step. The actions to take based on what happens during the approval process. You will understand from the given example clearly. So, in this example, a user requests approval for a new position. Here, the initial submission action occurs. The default initial submission action locks the record. This ensures that other users except for approvers and admins can't change the record while it's pending approval. In approval steps, assign approval requests to various users and define the chain of approval for a particular approval process. So in this example, the first step assigns the approval request to the submitter's direct manager. If the direct manager rejects the request, the final rejection action are executed, setting the position approval status to rejected. If the direct manager approves the request, the record moves to the next step, approval from the CEO. If the CEO rejects the position, the same final rejection action occurs. If the CEO approves the position, final approval action are executed. They set the approval status to approved. It unlocks record for future update and notify the employee who requested the new position. Final approval action only occurs when a record is approved and there are no further approval steps. Let's have a look on how to build an approval process. So here we need to make sure that a manager approves opportunities that are discounted more than 40%. For that, we have to pre-plan what we are going to do. So to track each opportunities discount person, we need a custom field for opportunity, and to track each opportunities approval status, we need a custom field in opportunity, and to request approval from managers when an opportunity discount is more than 40%, we need approval process for opportunity, and to notify managers when an opportunity discount needs approval, we need an email template. And when managers respond, update the opportunities approval status, approval action for field update is needed. So first, let's create an email template. For that, go to Setup. In Setup, search for templates. And choose Classic Email Templates. In that, choose New Template and choose the template type as text and click Next. In folder, select Unified Public Classic Email Template, and in Available for Use, select the box. In email template name it as Approve Opportunity Discount. Choose the encoding as General US and Western Europe. In subject, write as please approve this discounted opportunity, and for the email body, copy this email body and paste it there and click save. So now let's create custom fields so that we can track the discount percent and approval status for each opportunity. For that, go to Object Manager, and find the opportunity object. In that, go to Fields and Relationship and click New. Select the field type as percent. Click Next. Label it as discount percent. Leave the length as the default and decimal place as default. And select the required box and click Next. Click Next and click Save and New. Now choose the field type as Pick List. Click Next. Label it as discount percent status. And in values, choose enter values with each value separated by a new line. And put the value as approved and not approved. And choose the required box and click Next. Click Next and save. Now our org is ready. Let's create the approval process. For that, go to Setup and search for Approval. And click on Approval Process. In Manage Approval Process, select Opportunity. In Create New Approval Process, choose Use Jump Start Wizard. Name it as Approve Opportunity Discount. In Email Template, choose Approve Opportunity Discount. In Specify Entry Criteria, choose in Field, choose Opportunity Discount Percent. In Operator, greater than, and in value 0.4. And next, in Select Approver, let the submitter choose the approver manually. And then click Save. Now select View Approval Process Detail page. In Final Approval Action, click Add New and choose Field Update. In Name, type as Approve. In Field to Update, choose Discount Percent Status. In Specific Value, choose Approved. Click Save. Now in Final Rejection Action, click Add New and choose Field Update. Name it as Not Approved. Choose the field type as Discount Percent Status and choose the specific value as Not Approved and click Save. Now click Activate. We have completed the given approval process. And let's see our hands-on challenge. So we have to create an approval process to ensure that the prospect account with more than 500 employees are approved before they are converted to customers. So before you start, go to Object Manager in Fields and Relationship for the account object. Check the type fields pick list value for prospect, customer and pending. Add any of these values that are missing. So that is our first step. And next we have to use the jump start wizard to create an approval process. And we have to manage approval process for account. And we have to name it as approve new account. And for approval assignment email template, we can choose any template. We have to specify the entry criteria for account type equals prospect and account employee is greater than 500. And in select approver, we have to select automatically assign to approver. And we have to add an initial submission action, and we have to add a final approval action, and we have to edit the existing final approval action, and we have to add a final rejection action, and we have to activate the approval process. Okay, let's do it. I have splitted this page so that we can work it easily. Now go to setup, go to object manager, because we have to check whether the account object has these pick list value in the field type. So go to account in fields and relationship, choose type, so we have prospect only. So we need to add customer and pending. So to add that pick list value, click new. So in this box, type customer and click save. Now again click new. Type pending and click save. So we have prospect, customer and pending. Now let's create the approval. So go to approval, select the approval process. We have to do it for account. So verify that the manage approval process is set for account, and then choose create new approval process and choose use jump start wizard. In that, name it as approve new account. In approval assignment email template, we can choose any template. So I'll choose approve opportunity discount. In criteria, we have to add account type equals prospect. So account type, so choose account type equals prospect, and in next field choose account employee is greater than 500. Now in select approval, choose automatically assign to approvers, choose user and click the search button. You can find any users recently. I don't have anyone, so I just leave it and save. If it shows any error, we can clear it lately and click save. So it asks that we need to enter a value, so that I will provide a username and I will save it. Now select view approval process detail page. So in this we have to add an initial submission action that update fields. So in initial submission action, choose add new and click field update and name it as account type pending. In field to update, choose the field as type and in a specific value, choose it as pending and click save. Next we have to add an approval. Sorry. Next we have to add a final approval action. So in final approval action, choose add new and click the field update. Name the field as account type to customer. Choose the field type as type. In specific value, choose it as customer and click save. So in final approval action, we have to edit the existing value. So in record lock, choose edit. Now we have to edit the existing final approval action of the name record lock. So in final approval action, we have the type as record lock. So choose edit and we have to update the action as unlock the record for editing. So click unlock the record for editing and click save. Next we have to add a final rejection action that update fields. So name it as account type to prospect. So in final rejection action, click new, field update, choose it as account type to prospect and in field update, choose it as type. In a specific value, choose prospect and click save. And finally, we have to activate the approval process. So click activate. Now let's verify whether the given challenge is completed. So click check challenge. Yeah, we have completed this challenge. So if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to learn more from me, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Share with your friends and comment your thoughts about this video and stay tuned and thanks for watching.